News Trading Basics. Hello everyone, I am Anjali, host at the Dukascopy Webinars YouTube channel, and today I am going to start a new series in which I will show you how you can utilize daily news events and the economic calendar data releases to your advantage in your live trading. Course is named as News Trading Basics. Here we will see how a particular event affects an instrument in changing its trend or continuing its original trend. If you have heard about the fundamental trading style, where you have to analyze the economic concepts, which is termed as a fundamental in a whole, to gauge the future trend of that instrument. If you are trading for a while, you may have heard about the three different styles of trading. Even if you are new in trading, don't worry. There are three main trading styles followed by different traders. These are technical trading, fundamental trading, and sentimental trading. In the technical trading, you have to analyze the chart pattern on your computer screen, which is available on a platform provided to you by any broker. There, when instruments moves from one direction to another direction, it forms certain pattern. And to observe that and to make your own pattern, you will need to form some rules for yourself. There are certain books written on technical trading. Even there are some certified courses in financial market as well. If you are interested in technical trading, you can do that. Then there is a fundamental trading. If you have known the George Soros or Warren Buffett, if you have heard their names, these are the most famous investors and the fundamental traders who first analyze the fundamentals of an instrument and then they decides about the trade in that instruments. Then comes the sentimental trading. Sentimental trading is purely based on sentiments of the people in a whole. Here you can notice everything looks fine, still that instruments exactly going opposite to that available information. Like consider any stock, balance sheet, its result all looks fine, all are better, still that stock is going down. So that time reason behind is that sentiments of people in the market about that stock are negative. In this course, my main focus will be on the fundamental and news trading. Fundamental and news trading both look similar, but they have some differences in them. Because fundamental analysis, you will need to consider all the economic aspects of that particular instrument. In the news trading, you have to analyze how the recently surfaced news can affect the move in that instrument. You may have observed or you will observe in future suddenly sometimes instruments start moving at a very high speed in certain direction. Let's take a look at a chart. Like this situation can occur. This is the euro dollar chart. Time frame is hourly and you can notice it was moving up in the upward direction and suddenly something happens. Then it shreds almost more than 100 pips in a span of 2 hours. 1 hour, and as this is the hourly time frame, I have chosen lowest time frame purposely. If you have experienced this, then be sure that there might be central bank policy during that time, or something data release, or any speech or the news has surfaced related to euro dollar. So my main focus in this course is how you can utilize these kind of events, this kind of move to your advantage to enter into market or to exit from the position. I will show you the various live examples when we will wrap up with the basics of the news trading, so that you will be familiar how to utilize the current events in live trading. There are some few rules. I feel everyone must know that must follow that. Never enter into a market when any event is live or any news had just surfaced. Because what happens, I have observed while trading, most of the time retail traders lose money when they try to enter when any news is live or any central bank's policy is live. Because when event is live, that time instrument starts moving in one direction, then analyst analyze the that release, and after that the particular instrument may carry forward that trend or even reverse the trend, like we have seen during the US presidential election or even during the Brexit, that when the results were out, that time market instruments has moved down, they have erased, means more than 1000, Dow Jones was down by more than 1000 points. Similarly during the Brexit event, and then after some day, from the next time, after few hours, they have started reversing trend, and we have seen the rallies in the instruments, and they have touched new highs after that. So the most of the time you will notice these kind of scenarios. That's why never enter into the market when any event is live or news has just surfaced. Let that instrument cool down, analyze all factors, technical trend, and then enter into the market. So my course will be all about these happenings, how you can utilize these events to your advantage, how we can analyze the events, how we can gauge the future movement in that instrument, and then we will open the position. So friends, hope you will enjoy the content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That's it for the day. Thank you for watching and see you in next lesson.